I see mother shedding tears. People have lost hope for their future. They really don't understand. They really don't understand what's going on.
So many killing on the streets. Oh, some have fled the country.
My name is Jiji 7. I'm a Burundian artist, and I'm currently based here in Sweden.
It is a total confusion.
I came to Sweden last year in April when my country was having some political issues, and when I was watching on TV, internet, and I see how people are dying, and I see how they are killing people. It really hurt me. Sometimes I could cry, and then I decided to go to studio and record this song.
Shine your light on Burundi. Let your peace reign.
Let your peace reign, Lord, let your peace
Now,
reign.
this song is called Shine Your Light on Burundi, and to let His peace reign.
Oh, Lord, let it rain. I believe
The motto of my country is unity, work, and progress. So in this song, I was praying God, saying that I want to see unity, work, and progress be real.
love for my country still the same. It never changed.
You know, life is beautiful when people live together in unity, harmony, and love. I just want to tell all Burundians, wherever they are, let's make the country a better place to live. Darkness cannot chase darkness, only love can. So let's love one another, be united.
Shine your light.
Let your peace reign.
Over my country, let it rain. Over Burundi, let it rain.
Shine your light on Burundi.
Let it rain.
I'm Sane. I met Jiji on the bus, and we started talking. Then he asked me if I wanted to sing on his song "Shine Your Light on Burundi," which is a beautiful song with a really good message. But I really learned from Jiji to be more giving, because he's really giving and he makes people feel included. And he was so nice to me. And they're both, Jiji and his wife, are really good people who cares about other people, which is so important.
I hope to see you smile on my lips again. I hope to see you.
I know about the situation in Burundi, and I think it's terrible, and it makes me really sad that people actually treat each other that way, because it's not okay, and we're humans. We're not supposed to be here to make wars and fight. It's just a waste of time. The earth might not be here forever, so we should take care about the earth and ourselves.
Jiji, he is a perfect example. He uses his passion for music to be able to spread love and to unite people and connect them, just bring peace. And I think that we are gifted for a reason, so that we could use what we have to give to somebody. And I think that's a blessing that Jiji has. It's really beautiful to see how he uses what he has to spread the love of God. We're blessed to be a part of this. We're blessed to be connected with Jiji, and we can't wait to go there someday, hopefully, and to be able to just use the music that Jiji has and the love for music that we have as well, to be able to spread some love and some light, because I think we need that in the world.